Good job, buddy. Yeah, he's making a mess. Just ignore him. Do one more. Okay, let's put them all the way back there, and you can do it again. Good. Good job, buddy. Good job. Wow. Good job, mister. That's a good job. Good job, buddy. What? What, honey? Tete? I don't know what you're saying. Grayson, when you clean up your mess, I'll give you the pom-poms. Good, mister. You left-handed? Whoa. Wow. Yeah.